This is Science Mentor, and in this lesson you will learn how to use the union and intersect operators in Excel. Intersection points can be beneficial in finding insights into the data, as intersections give the same values for different data sets. Union operator simply adds two ranges of cells. Intersect operator gives the intersection of two ranges. The symbol comma represents the union operator. So when you insert this symbol in between the function, it gives you the sum of it. As you can see, function adds up two ranges. You can also use the same technique to find the intersection of ranges that spans more than one row or column. The single space retains the intersection of two ranges. You can use the intersect operator to retain the intersection of two named ranges. Firstly, I define range's name. Then try to find the section between ranges. As you can see, intersection can be found easily. Thank you for liking this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos.